Hi, what's up XRP holder? So this is very important video for all holder, because in this video we will pre-cat XRP coin and we do a technical analysis, my brother, and I have something special news for all XRP holder, my brother. Let's see, my brother, to what's going on this time, and please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So the current condition is very critical now, my brother. All currencies is very badly fails down, but this time XRP will completely on the trending. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days, as you can see here, my brother, the all chain occur positive now. So that's a really great, my brother, for all of you. They will give you a profit. All right, the market rank, as you can see here, 6, and that's very good now. The USD price is 0.7 USD dollar, and you can see here the BTC price is 0.4018 US BTC. My brother, this time, as you can see, a circulating supply 46 million billion, and max supply you can see here billion and trillion. Distribution, as you can see here, 46.42%. I think this will be also increased now in upcoming time. Alright, this time, as you can see here, this time the XRP chart results. So this is the last 1 week chart, my brother, and as you can see here, the first line touched the highest point, the second line touched the lowest point. So that's clear, my brothers. To an upcoming time, the price will be increasing now, and they will give you a profit. So if you know this, my brothers, so kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope XRP will make you a millionaire now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel.